Hello everyone, a big virtual hug to you all. In today's world, almost all websites are responsive and adopt the behavior according to the screen sizes. In this video, we are going to master the art of responsive designs using Sass, which is the most widely used technology in today's world. So let's start the video. So if you go to the browser, inspect, and in the toggle device toolbar, click on this. We see a bar. That is very unique bar inside this browser. Okay, if I hover over this, you see something amazing. There is mobile S320 pixels. Okay, this is the breakpoint which browser has given to us. Basically, if you hover over the next box, you see mobile M375 pixels. And what are these lines? These lines, basically this is the maximum line and this is the minimum line. Above this line the breakpoint changes, and below this line the breakpoint changes. This is the minimum line and this is the maximum line for the breakpoint to change. Okay, if you hover over the next, then you see mobile large 425 pixels. If you hover over the next tab, you see tablet 768 pixels, and all the breakpoints are available to us in the browser already. We use these browsers to test our responsiveness for the website. Go to the VS Code. I've already created React app using Vite. So okay, and nothing much more. So if I go to the source folder, I change something here. This name app.css to app.scss because we use Sass, and in the app.jsx I remove the default code which Vite has given to us. Okay, so nothing much more. Change this import from CSS to SCSS. Okay, so in this return statement, write something like hello world to check whether our app is running or not. Press Ctrl J to open the terminal and write npm run dev. Hit enter, navigate, and our app is working fine. Okay, we see hello world here. Go to the VS Code again, remove this. Here I give a division and class name of container like that, and inside this container I make two different containers. There is dot left container, okay, and dot right container. I have two containers here. Now go to the app.scss. What we are going to do here, first of all, we write all the breakpoints here using this bar. So this is the mobile S320 pixels. So make a variable here and write small mobile, and there is 320 pixels. Okay, for the next, if I open this side by side, mobile S, the second one is mobile M, for example, medium mobile, and there is 375 pixels. The second one and the third one is large mobile, and there is 425 pixels. After that we have a tablet, tablet, and the width of the tablet is 768 pixels. After that we have laptops, and the laptop width is 1024 pixels. After that we have large laptop, okay, and the width is 1440 pixels. We have 6 breakpoints here for small mobile, for medium mobile, for large mobile, for tablet, for laptop, and for large laptop. If you go to this now, 320 pixels, 375 pixels, 425 pixels, 768 pixels, 102 pixels, and 1440 pixels. Okay, after that what we are going to do is to make a container, target the container, and inside container width as 100%. We give margin left and margin right as auto, margin left auto and margin right auto, and padding left, for example, 0.25 rem, and padding right as 0.25 rem for the space from both left and right side. After that give it a background of, for example, royal blue and height of 100 vh. Now if you go to the, now remove the universal space, basically margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. Now after that we write our breakpoints. How to write breakpoints? At media, open and close parenthesis, and inside min width, and there is the small mobile, open and close curly braces, and dot container. We target the dot container. We also give here a name. This is media. We also give a name here, and it is not compulsory that we give name here. I hope you get it. After that, we write max width. We must give the minimum and maximum boundary for the container. If we don't give the minimum and maximum boundary for the container, then the breakpoint will break. So what are our maximum breakpoint is small mobile. Look, it changes. After that, I copy this for 4 times, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Now change the small mobile to medium mobile, mobile, and this also change to medium mobile, like that. After that, change this small to large and this small to large mobile, and this is the tablet and this is the tablet also. This is mobile first approach basically. And in the mobile first approach, tablet, no tablet, copy this for one more time, because we also have large laptop. Okay, right here large laptop, and also here large laptop. Okay, breakpoints are done. If you go to the browser, we have something like this. If I inspect, then you see something amazing here. Nothing happen because we have a width of 100% and we have padding from left and right, and also margin from left and right. So nothing happen. When I touch the corner of the container, look, then it shrinks. Look, when I touch the container's corner, it shrinks. It is shrinking continuously until we reach our last breakpoint. Okay, so this is the responsiveness which browser has given to us, and the breakpoints are minimal and less number of breakpoints we use to make our website responsive. This is the mobile first approach. This is the mobile first approach. I write here basically not here, because this is the container for the mobile first approach. Mobile first approach, and comment out this. If you want to make desktop first approach, then what you can do is copy this whole thing like that and comment out the mobile first approach. After that, what you can do is you have to write the maximum width here. Okay, so what is the maximum width for our breakpoint is max width, and there is 40 pixels. All the properties remains the same. Now here what you can do is change this min to max, basically not like this. Press alt and click on all the min. Now how to change? Write max width. Now what is the maximum width? Here we have large laptops. Now right here large laptop. Now what is the maximum width here? The maximum width here is the previous breakpoint, that is 1024 pixels. Okay, right here laptop, there is the previous breakpoint of this large laptop. What you have to write here, write laptop, because this is the breakpoint for the laptop. And what is the previous breakpoint of this laptop? There is tablet. Right here tablet. Okay, and right here tablet, and the previous breakpoint of this tablet is large mobile. This is here, and right here large mobile, and the previous breakpoint is medium mobile, and here medium mobile, and here small mobile, and the last one is small mobile. What you have to write here, make the width as 100%, width as 100% here, like that. Now if you go to the browser, look, nothing changes here. But this is the desktop first approach. If I contract this, nothing happen here, because we have margin left and margin right of auto. When this touches the corner of the container, then it shrinks down. How amazing is this? We use only 6 breakpoints to make our website responsive. If I make the container, okay, in the app.jsx, if I write here something, for example, this is the left div and this is the right div. Okay, and give it some colors. style, and background color is, for example, light blue. Look, light blue. And I give some height of 40 pixels, for example, and same copy this and paste it in the right hand side, in the right div. Okay, and change the color, for example, yellow green. Now these two containers shrinks as the container shrinks. Okay, if I go to the browser, when it touches the corners, look how amazing is this. This is the responsiveness for the website. Okay, this is the minimal way how you can make your website responsive using only 6 breakpoints, and those 6 breakpoints are given by the browser to make our website responsive. So that is for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Always practice, which you will learn in the video, because if you don't practice the concept, you will not grip on that concept. Okay, so always practice.